Hello, students. Today our lecture is lecture number 5, that is about introduction to RapidMiner. Okay. Now I have given you a task to download RapidMiner Studio. It's simple. You will be typing RapidMiner on Google, and from there you will get. You have to open the website myrapidminer.com. You have to create your profile like this one I have created for myself. Hello, Malika. Now you will be creating your profile. Once you do, you will navigate to downloads, and over here they will show you the software that is compatible with your laptop or PC. Over here, this one, Windows 64-bit is compatible with my laptop. So when I click over here, then I started downloading. Okay, the software is already downloaded, so it will not download. So this is how I download RapidMiner, and once I did, I click on. They will give you a password, and user ID would be your email and the password. Just be careful. Write down that password somewhere safe with you. Okay, because you will be needing that password whenever you sign in to this RapidMiner software. Okay, this will be, the icon would be like this: AI Studio 2024.0.1. Once you download, now we'll start with the software. Now this is the front face of the software. This is the interface that you will be seeing once you uh, start with the RapidMiner. Okay, uh, okay. Now what happens? Now the center part is the process panel. Over here are the processes. Okay, and this portion is the repository portion. Now what is repository? Repository is like your storage place. Like you have in your laptop, you have D drive, E drive, F drive, right? So this is what repository shows. It's your storage area. Now, there are two types through which you will be able to access data sets. One is the sample data that is already provided in the RapidMiner, and the other is you will be importing. You can import data either from your computer or from any database if you have connected any database, like if you are connected to a server like that. And operators are the task. Like in Excel, we used to give in the function sum, right? Equal sum, we used to sum, or we used to give account function, or some other task. In Excel, we used to define the task and used to get the output. So these are the operators. Like these are the database, blending operators, attributes. Okay, all right. And the process panel, over here we need to give in instructions. Okay, the first is we'll drag in the data set. We'll take in the sample data set from here. It will be data. Once you will go on with the tutorial, you will easily navigate through all these. Now I select Titanic. This is a data set. Okay, the data set that we use for the shoe various brands offering various shoes, right? In our previous lectures, this is the same data set. By same, I mean it includes columns and rows and a lot of data about different things related to Titanic ship, like passenger names and seat numbers and their which is their category, the first uh, ticket category, second ticket, or third grade, right? That type of data is available in this Titanic data set. Now this is a box. We will just drag in the box. Okay. For now, I'll not be using operators. Just for the simple quick view, I connect this to the output. This is the output. RES stands for result. Result means this will show you the output. If this is connected, then the data would be read. If this is not connected, your data set would not be read by the Alter AI Studio processor. It will not read it. So you have to connect the lines. Okay. Now let's go on with, we'll run this process. This is the process is already defined with the wire. Now we'll run it. This is the run button, the blue triangle. Once we run, you see this is the data. Now on the top we have a design tab. This is the design tab, the main view, and this is the result. Once you run the process, you will get a result over here. Okay, and this is the data. This tab over here shows the data, and data means these are the rows, the passengers, the first class, second class, their name, their gender, age, number of siblings they have, and number of parents if they have, ticket numbers. These are all the details related to passengers. If they survive, they didn't survive, the lifeboats available for them, the city they came from, okay, and their cabin numbers. This type of information is included. Now this is the data. This is same that we view in the Excel sheet, columns and rows. Over here in RapidMiner, the columns are known as attributes and the rows are known as example sets. Okay. And when we click on the statistics, we quickly grab the view about everything like the passenger class. Okay. If I open the open visualization, right? Over here you see it is giving me a bar column type of chart. Over here I can see the passenger class. There were 3 classes and how many passengers were in the first class. This is the passenger count. Okay, and we can easily get a quick view. The second class passengers were lower than the first and third. The third were the most in this. Okay, this is how we will analyze the data. Over here we have the data, and over here we have the statistics. We can view through visualizing the data. Okay, similarly all is given over here. Okay, one more thing I would like to add over here is like if we want to make the process screen bigger, okay, we can close the repository, we can close the operator process, parameter process, help process, okay, panel, sorry, these panels are closed. But I want to retrieve the operator panel again. Now the simple is we'll go to the view tab, we'll click on restore default view. Over here the default view is apparent now. Okay, it is visible to us. Whenever we try to change the panel's position and we want to get back to the original view, we can restore default view. Okay, now over here repository we discuss, it's about storage. It shows the storage, and RapidMiner gives us by default they give us sample data. This data, Titanic data, and there are more. There are product data, sales data. Once you will be, this is a tutorial that will be shown to you on the left panel. Once you initially start with the RapidMiner software, you will start to get the tutorials over here. Don't skip this. You have to perform all the tutorials. Okay, I have come so far over here just to check how would it be. So you will be performing all the tutorials that is given on the left panel. Once you do this, once you get the grip of this software, we'll be importing data that we worked on, the shoe data and the one that you collected from your energy bill. We'll be importing that data over here and we'll be performing different tasks on them. Okay, now this was a very simple task that I showed you, a very simple process. Now operators, you know, these are the tasks. We select boxes from here to give task to our data set, to define a task to data set. Okay, over here is the help panel. Over here help panel helps you with when if you select like you select this, it will show you retrieve means, what it means. It loads data sets. It will give you the explanation of what you have selected over here. That is what help does. Parameters will show you when we'll be selecting other operators. Then we need to add in the parameters. We'll select the parameters from the data set. Like if we need a customer ID, we need a product ID, we need any other parameter, we'll be selecting that and defining it over here. It will be used later on. Okay, and these are two tabs, design tab on the top and the result tab that shows the result. Okay, so this is for now just the basics. We'll be continuing this in our own online class, inshallah, today. Okay, and I want all of you to download this software. And once you download this software, you have to run the tutorials. You have to work on the tutorials by your own self. Okay, you will not take help from anyone. And we can discuss more in the online class. Okay, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.